My name is Graham Anderson, and I'm the owner and pharmacy manager at Sherwood Dispensaries. Earlier this year, my staff and I had the pleasure of participating in a sledge hockey game with the Robin Hood team. I can't explain the genuine connection that we built with the Robin Hood athletes, all in the spirit of sport. Not only did we all have fun, it was also a meaningful team building experience for my staff. It promoted a positive culture within my business, which I cannot put a price on. I guarantee that when you and your staff participate in Robin Hood Sledge Hockey Day, you will walk away knowing that you were part of a profound and positive experience.